Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use the JIO Cinema app, India's top streaming platform for movies, shows and live sports like IPL in one place. So let's get started. Start by downloading the app from Play Store or App Store. So go to your App Store, then tap on the search bar and search JIO Cinema. So after this icon pops up, tap on that and then tap on your install button. After installing it, open up your app. Once you're in, the home screen shows trending content. Use the top tabs to explore movies, shows, live TV, sports and more. At the bottom you'll find search, downloads and my list. Here at the bottom you can find home screen. It shows trending content. You can also use another tabs like sports or movies or TV shows. Tap any title to watch. You can use playback roles to pause, rewind or change quality. For live sports, just head to the live tabs, perfect for cricket fans. You can search by genre or language. You can also add to my list if you want to watch it later, and if you want to go offline, you can also download movies with one tap, which is great for travel. And if you want ad-free streaming and early access to new content. So that is all about JIO Cinema. I hope you guys liked the video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.